Alright, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Popular Owner Jay, back with the final video of 2025. This video, I don't know what I'm gonna name it. I was kind of delaying, me overthinking, trying to get everything together. I'm not gonna do that no more. This is just, you know, at the top of my head. I'm going to give an update about what's going to happen for 2026. Hopefully I don't talk like too much. Yeah, it's gonna be a different year for me and people around me. I'm not too sure how it's gonna go exactly, but I just have like the end goal in mind, which is I'm just gonna grind, I'm gonna hustle. I know that seems kind of cliche, but I'm just gonna grind. I'm gonna go into monk mode. I'm the type of person to be like people pleasing, looking out for people, asking questions, caring about people, and it came to a point where nobody does the same for me and nobody's there for me. As some of you guys, or if you guys don't know, I do have a daughter now, so I really have to be on point with like everything. And yeah, I'm just tired of being tired of being tired. I'm being tired of mentally. So it just got to the point where I'm like, you know what, like fuck friends, fuck family, fuck people. I'm putting myself first. I'm gonna grind and hustle, dedicate myself and work hard and just do whatever I have to do in order for me to like succeed and get to where I'm at. As you guys can see, like I just came from work. Honestly, I feel it in my gut. If I don't stop, if I continue to grind and hustle and dedicate more time, be very disciplined, I'm gonna go somewhere. I'm not gonna be in the same position. I'm not gonna be in the same job. I'm not gonna be in the same mindset. I'm not gonna be in the same surroundings. It's just gonna be very different for me. I'm tired mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually. I'm just tired. Like something has to change, honestly. And it starts with me. There's this quote that says nothing changes if nothing changes. Really, the only few things I was gonna say is I'm gonna grind until I make it. Pretty self-explanatory. I always been dealt a bad hand with everything: life, friends, family, relationships with people, dating. So it's like, you know what, I'm just not even quit. I'm just gonna forget everything and everybody, and I hate to say it, but I'm just gonna put myself first, focus on me. Like I don't seek validation from nobody, but it just would be nice to like have friends or people around. But I'm just gonna start doing more stuff for me. I'm not gonna second guess or question anything or be like, should I invite this person or should I invite that person, or it'll be fun to spend time with this person. Nah, fuck that. I'm just gonna, if I want to go on a cruise for a weekend, I'm gonna go on a cruise for a weekend by myself. But yeah, I just need to enjoy life more, enjoy myself more. I mean, I was always independent, but I need to like go much harder, be more independent than what I actually am right now. I'm going to, and I have to master the delusion and actually believe it. Again, I know this might sound cliche, but I feel it in my gut. If I actually focus and dedicate everything that I have, every late night, every struggle, like everything, I'm gonna make it and actually be something, whether it's on TikTok, YouTube, but I'm gonna be something. So this is the last video before I actually like explode. I actually have like a name for myself, pretty much. Yeah, just being better than my current position, like job wise, life wise, location wise, this, that, and the third. Last thing that I'm going to say is sorry, not sorry. It is me, myself, and I first, and I'm just gonna hustle and bustle and grind until I actually make it. Like I'm going full throttle and I'm gonna give it my all and I'm gonna do my best. Just a little backstory on New Year's. I've always told myself I wanted to like record myself to see where I'm at, and I haven't done that for like the past 2 to 3 to 4 years. And this year I'm actually gonna do it because I regret not doing it the other years. Kind of sad and depressed. And well, this year I'm not doing nothing. 2024 also didn't do nothing mentally and physically. I was homeless. yeah, I heard that correct, but that's a topic for another day. And the year before that, didn't do nothing, was in my apartment, same thing, just contemplating, being sad and depressed. But yeah, I'm not doing that shit no more. I'm not gonna be sad no more, not gonna be depressed. I'm just gonna focus on myself, my passion, my path, until I actually like make it in this world. Last thing I'm gonna say is I'm also doing this just for growth, and also so I could remind myself of where I started and where I will end and what I will become and what I will have. This is just a message to myself. This part right here, you know, Popular and Jay Jurgen, I'm like proud of you. You will see this next year, well, December 31st of like next year. I'm not gonna be working where I'm working right now. I'm manifesting all these great things for myself, and I'm gonna level up, honestly. It's funny because I was just editing a car video recently, and my dad was just like, you know, like, why are you editing? Why am I doing the stuff I'm doing? Like, why do I believe in this? So yeah, that fired me up mentally. So I'm like, yo, I'm just gonna grind until I actually like make it. Again, nobody believes you until the money starts coming in. So you motherfuckers, Y'all watch. Popular Loner Jay has 686 subscribers. Life with Jay's Honda channel has 647 subscribers. My podcast has 46 subscribers. My podcast clips channel has 38 subscribers. My reaction channel has 22 subscribers. My ASMR has 18 subscribers, and my cooking channel has 19 subscribers. I also plan on doing like a food review, so there's a lot of things I have in the works on my phone and my notes, things that I'm gonna do. Yeah, I'm just gonna do it all because nobody's coming to save you. Well, nobody's coming to save me. Nobody's gonna do nothing for me, so I'm gonna do everything myself. But yeah, that's my message for myself, my channel for 2026. I hope nobody takes it the wrong way, but I have to grind. I gotta put myself first. Excel, exceed, while everybody's having fun, partying. I'm not doing that. I'm gonna grind and grind until I make it. There's no excuses. Hopefully this will motivate myself in the future. So Jurgen, I'm proud of you, and I hope you're further than what you are, than your current position. Stay focused, grind. Yeah, I hope you have a good night, and I'll see you guys next year and in my next video. In the words of Tony Montana, I want the world and everything in it. So yeah, that's what I'm going after. I'm gonna be delusional. I'm gonna get everything, every blessing that I deserve. The world is mine for the taking. I'm gonna take the world. I'm gonna take over. Anything is possible. Yeah, I'll see you guys. Well, you guys will see me at the top. This is your boy, Popular Loner Jay. I'm signing out. Peace. Catch you guys next time.